To add caption from audio, first I'm going to select my video document. Then I'll come into the editor and click on Add Blank. And I'll go over to my Uploads tab, which is where I have my audio, and come over to audio here. This is the audio I want to add caption from it. If you don't have your audio, you can upload it using the uploads file here. First, let me take my playhead and place it at the beginning and click on the audio to add it into my design. Now, if you look here, you see that the audio is 4 minutes. I'm going to collapse this and I'm going to stretch out this page to reach to 4 minutes. Let me quickly toggle zoom page so I can close in my timeline. This is easier for me. And from here, I'm going to make sure this is selected and stretch it out. You can see where 4 minutes is on, and you see that my audio spread out completely. Once I have this stretched out, I'm going to click on share and download to export my audio as a video document. Now I'll go back to my uploads to upload the video I just exported right now. Now that I have the video uploaded, I'm going to come to this blank page and I'll delete it, take out the audio, and I'll drop in this video into my timeline. From here, I want to go over to text and scroll down and come to captions. And you see it's only this file I have currently in my design. And I'm going to click on generate captions. If we go over to captions, you can see that my captions has been generated. And from here, I can go into my elements and start pulling in stock video. If I place this one like so, I can now take it over to the top and it stays as the B-roll. Let me tap this video to drop into my timeline, and I'm going to move it to the element timeline. Let me zoom in back into my page to have control of what I'm doing. You can now come to the caption. To customize the caption folder, you can go into effects and decide to give it a different kind of effect if you don't want this background effect. So this is how to add caption from audio.